I think she, I don't know why I'm thinking it's a bird. Maybe it's not even an animal. This is going to be so funny when I find out what it is. Good morning. Hello, beautiful boy. And then my girl. Hi, sleepyhead. Koa. And there's me. Good morning, world. From me and my babies, right? Yeah. Today we've got a lot to do. Pretty much remodeling the whole house because it's time. I'm so in love with these two. That's the bike my man got me for my birthday. I guess he's trying to say, you better get up and exercise. Yeah, I'm just kidding. We work out together. We have a healthy, fit lifestyle. I'm going to go to Home Depot today, and I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get some soil for these babies out here. This one. This is a lychee plant I planted myself probably, I don't remember, a few years ago. And this is a rose plant. I bought this one, but it's almost blooming. And you know what's crazy? Sometimes I ask myself, what if thorns have roses and not the other way around? Flower for thought. Is he the most beautiful boy ever? Yeah, so that is going to be my day for the day, and then I've got my friend, my best friend from college. She's going to come and help me clean up this mess that you're about to see. Yeah, pretty wild. Pretty wild. Wild child. And that's going to be it for the time being. So I'll be back when she's here. Okay, I think my best friend just got me a bird as a housewarming gift. I'm shooketh. I look crazy because I was just laying down, but oh my god. So she texted me because she's taking forever. So I'm like, where are you? She's like, I got you a gift, I'm coming. I'm like, you didn't have to. She said, it's a housewarming gift. I said, I know what it is. Because I figured it's probably a hookah. Because she likes to smoke hookah and I don't have any hookah at my house. And I told her to come over. And then she says, man, he is so beautiful. I can stare at him forever. I told her, shut the front door, because no way. Hey, I think you got a friend. I don't know if you might like it. I don't know if it's a good thing or not, but oh my god. Where's my other baby? Oh, she's right here. Hi, beautiful. Oh my god, I think you guys got a friend. Why I'm thinking it's a bird? Because she has a bird obsession. She loves birds. She has birds in her house. She has about 100 birds. Maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but she's got definitely I think over 20 birds, no exaggeration, over 20 birds in her garage. So, and I would always talk about how, I want a bird, but I just, you know, I'm like, oh, I love your birds, they're so beautiful, but I just never happened to get one or two or whatever. And I think I don't know why I'm thinking it's a bird. Maybe it's not even an animal. This is going to be so funny when I find out what it is. If it is an animal, I'm shocked. If not, then I'm kind of relieved, because then I don't have, it's one less animal to worry about, because I already have two. I have Koa, and then I have Crystal. So, he's looking at me like I'm crazy. Yes, I'm your crazy mother. I'm your crazy cat mother. Okay, well, I'll be back and I'll let you guys know what it is. Okay, I started recording because I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Hold on. Where's my friend at? I think she's all the way. Nazish? Oh my god. What did you do? I keep scared. There's no animals. Do you have any animals with you?
No animals. Wallah, no animals. Wallahi, no animals.
Hi, my friend.
Hi, my friend. Bro, my cousin pissed me.
And the drama begins. And the drama begins.
They cannot hear this.
Okay, okay. Bye bye for now.
Pretty. You're the most pretty boy.
How do we focus this thing?
So pretty boy. Look at his face. Look at
He's like, not impressed.
He's like, who is this psycho? No, look. No.
So let's see what my friend got me. Oops. Oh, do you see the bike? Michael got me. Let's see here. Bike from Mike. She's rhyming today.
This is bike from Mike.
She's rhyming. What? Oh. I'm like, what am I? Is this for the bike also? So it's for the hookah that she got me. Look how pretty this hookah is. Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome, my friend.
I love it. Oh, we got flavors and more flavors. Let's see, what did you get? Oh, what flavor is this? Oh, mint and diamond dust. Yeah, it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. It's litty up in this committee. In this hookah committee. All the equipment we need to start a hookah. Thank you.
I'll for you, my friend. You want some tea? You're finally looking at me. Yeah, good boy. Oh, no, good boy.
He's out.
He's like, no, goodbye.
He's like, bye. Koa. Cocoa beans, what are you doing? You want food? Hello? Crystal, are you hungry? I think they might be camera shy. Are you camera shy? I love how he just starts purring immediately after I pick him up. I don't know if you can hear that. They're my sick obsession. I love them.